Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned string beans taste good. First, drain and rinse your canned green beans thoroughly under cold water to remove excess sodium and any metallic flavor. This simple step is foundational for a fresh start. Next, prepare your flavor base by gathering key ingredients like butter, bacon, or olive oil, along with fresh aromatics such as garlic and onion. These elements will build a robust foundation for your beans. To infuse incredible flavor, begin by rendering 2 to 3 slices of bacon in a skillet until perfectly crispy. Remove the bacon, reserving the flavorful drippings. Then, in that same skillet, sauté 1 small diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until they are soft and wonderfully fragrant. If you prefer a vegetarian approach, simply use 2 tablespoons of butter or olive oil instead of bacon fat to cook your aromatics. This step creates a deeply savory base. Now, add your thoroughly drained and rinsed green beans directly into the skillet with the fragrant aromatics. It is time to season them perfectly. Sprinkle in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Stir everything together gently. Cook the beans over medium heat for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are heated through and have absorbed all those wonderful flavors. To finish, crumble the crispy bacon you reserved earlier over the hot, flavorful green beans just before serving. This adds a delightful texture and an extra layer of savory goodness. For an optional bright finish, consider adding a small splash of apple cider vinegar or a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. These simple additions can truly elevate the overall taste. Serve your delicious green beans warm as a perfect accompaniment to almost any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.